Somebody lost a house over here. Incredible. Completely underwater. Good morning everybody and welcome to Dunga Beach. This morning we tried to cross the border between Kenya and Uganda, but we failed miserably because you need a COVID test to enter and you need a COVID test to get out. Some people tried to sell us like a fake entrance to Uganda. The thing is, even if we kinda entered illegally Uganda, we weren't sure if we would be able to head back to Kenya. So we decided to respect the law and move on to another part of Kenya near Kisumu, and probably today we may rent one of these boats. Over here is full of stuff for tourists, and a couple is joining me, or I am joining them in this tour. I'm being the third wheel.
How long?
Like 20 minutes.
Medium?
25
Long?
1 hour, 20 minutes. Yeah. So you? So let me tell you.
That is Dunga. Okay, now let me use my hands. So we are here now.
Yeah.
This is here. This is the Impala part. Oh, that's the one for 45 minutes. That's 2,500 now.
No, 4,500. But it's good. But it's good.
No, it's a waste of money. It's the salary of a person that is cleaning the house in a village for one boat ride. Like,
Really, I'm good.
It's a function thing.
so apparently we're about to pay an overpriced price for these boats. I have no idea where we're riding. These are the boats. They should be able to survive the lake. Hopefully. You wanna pray before going inside?
I have all the faith.
You have all the faith.
I have all the faith.
Oh, we're crashing. I think we are not gonna depart today. Here we have Cynthia. Over here we do have Victor. How's it going, Victor?
Fine.
Fine. So you're the boss here. I thought you will be the driver.
I'm boxing.
You're the boss.
Don't box.
What boxer? What's boxer?
Boss. Like for now we do.
You do 5 minutes each.
We walk like a circle.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's a circle.
The circle of people.
You know, circle for all these boats. We are working together.
One company working together.
Yeah.
Okay. So will you drive today or not?
Me, no.
No.
I
You're just you're a supervisor. Okay.
Can't do it.
You cannot drive.
Because I'm drunk.
Ah,
That's
good
why
man.
I never do it.
Good man.
So that's why I'm.
What's your name?
Fred.
Fred. Nice to meet you, Fred.
My captain today.
Your captain. Yes. So what do you do here? Like if I jump off the boat, will you catch me?
Sorry?
If I jump off the boat, will you catch me?
Like for now, here now,
Yeah.
I can't do it.
You can do it. Even if you're drunk, you can save my life. Maybe.
Maybe I can help you.
Maybe.
Because I'm a good driver. I do water sport. You know water sport? Kayak.
Do you live here? Do you live nearby?
Sorry?
Do you live in this area?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this?
This is a restaurant.
Okay.
We can go in there, then take a good picture, then we go back, yeah?
So guys, this tour continues somewhere in some sort of a pretty but abandoned restaurant, and we're getting out. You're a pirate by now. Oh, these birds are amazing. All good, Victor?
Yeah,
so
you can go.
This was expensive to build. All the rocks that they need to bring here. It seems very abandoned from outside, but there are people working there. Victor,
I want to go.
you want to go there? Yeah. Go, run. No problem. It seems a bit like a Soviet place mixed with, I don't know, warm weather. Look at these walls. How much will it cost me to bring all the rocks over here? I don't know. And we do have a little garden, and that's also part of the resort. and you can rent the houses over there. But Victor, where do you sleep? Which one is your room?
Come this way.
You sleep here? Oh, let's go check. Sasa,
So,
you sleep here for real? No? Or,
me?
yeah.
No, my place is over there.
Super nice. Is it a new hotel or
It's a new hotel already.
when was built?
3 years now, yeah?
3 years. 6,000 for a single.
You can go with it.
Here is the entrance where they bring you with the car. Sasa. Okay. Asante sana. What type of room is this one?
Superior.
The superior room.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really interested in the beach view. Let's see. Wow. I can fit in this bed. This is my first time in Kenya that I fit into a bed. Usually I'm too long. Very nice. Especially the bed is my favorite thing ever. Oh gosh. And this, for all the mosquitoes, I never seen something so huge. Wow. Really wow. Can you believe that for all the mosquitoes you have practically one room around the bed? And I really like the roof.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, subscribe to Cynthia.
Wanjiku, W for Wanjiku.
Link in description, and the name is too complicated. Wow. You can play table tennis in this bathroom, it's very big.
Nice.
Oh, I never saw this in Africa before. Really, this is an Italian thing, an Italian invention. There you do the usual stuff, there you clean yourself.
For you.
Yes, this is the best way to keep yourself clean everywhere. Everywhere.
Everyone knows in Italy.
Yeah, every house in Italy has this one.
Oh. What about this one?
This one, yes. No, this is the normal. This, it's an invention that they invented later. But you start there with paper and then you finish here. It's like a shower, but just inside the underwear.
You can book the room here?
I think maybe 10,000 people will book the room. And that's the max I can do. Guys, if you book this room, please tell that I sent you here.
Wanjiku. Oh, you said the size.
You want to film me if I fall?
Yes!
Let me move the boat to the right side. You want to throw it? No, not really throw it, maybe from here.
I will not throw it.
Asante, welcome. Okay, you made it. I'm always too tall for Kenya. We are leaving the luxury hotel without having booked a room. We are smashing the other boats.
Keep your hand inside. Keep your hand inside.
Yes. I'm very tempted to touch it. Look at that grass. It's perfect.
Love it.
How can you be drunk on a boat after it's bumping like that?
Like for today, I'm prepared for.
Well, you have a big lunch later?
No, I'm
Dinner.
going to eat right now.
What are you gonna eat right now? Fish?
Fish.
Fish and ugali.
Fish and ugali.
No doubt.
No doubt. What about you?
Probably the same, there is nothing else.
Your favorite food, tell me.
Pizza.
Sorry?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Or lasagna. Or pasta. Oh, shower of water.
I'm so wet. That is good.
Now all the people will think that I did a pee on my pants.
That is good.
Now, what do you have under these platforms?
I don't understand you.
Oh, okay. Look at this telephone.
To this is fine.
Are we gonna jump from boat after boat after boat?
Yeah.
That's what I guess.
I like this one.
It's gonna be a bit risky. We're about to kiss the other boat. Here we go.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm alive. Are you okay? So guys, she just recognized me on the street. What's your name and what's your channel?
Thank you so much. My channel is called Irene's Hub, so you can follow me. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's nice to meet Michele Ponte. I will follow them with me.
You're even able to say my name. That's incredible. Most of the people are not able to say it.
Yeah, Michele Ponte. It's your name, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
So Victor, are we going to the house of some fishermen? Where are we gonna eat this fish?